Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put up a round mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a tape measure, a pencil, a level, and a drill. Next, carefully determine the perfect spot and height for your mirror, considering both aesthetics and practicality. It's crucial to ensure the wall can safely support the mirror's weight, especially for larger pieces. Finally, give both the mirror and the wall a good clean to ensure a smooth, secure installation. This preparation saves time and prevents issues. Now, let's get those measurements precise. Use a reliable level to draw a perfectly horizontal line where the top of your mirror will sit. Then, measure the distance between your mirror's hanging points and transfer those marks accurately onto your wall. With your drill, create pilot holes at these marked spots, ensuring the drill bit matches the size of your wall anchors. For mirrors weighing more than 10 pounds, or if you're drilling into drywall, always use appropriate wall anchors for secure support. With your pilot holes ready, it's time to attach the hanging hardware. Screw the brackets or D-rings firmly into the wall anchors, making sure they are completely secure and stable. Give them a gentle tug to confirm they won't budge. Now, carefully lift your round mirror, aligning its hanging mechanism with the hardware you just installed on the wall. Slowly and steadily, lower the mirror into place, ensuring it sits perfectly level and flush against the wall. Take your time here for a perfect finish. You're almost done. For the final touch, grab your level one more time to ensure your mirror is absolutely straight. Make any tiny adjustments needed to achieve that perfect alignment. Next, gently clean the mirror's surface, removing any fingerprints or smudges from the installation process. Before stepping back to admire your work, give the mirror a gentle push to confirm there's no wobbling or instability. Your beautifully installed round mirror is now ready to enhance your space safely and stylishly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.